if you use the same video that you used previously in ads before, and after the ad ends, will it be calculated in the video you posted previously? Okay, here's the thing. When you're running ads on Facebook, it's totally okay to use previously posted video or post on your page to run ads. It's totally okay. All right. So the thing here is when you're setting up the campaign, make sure you're selecting, you're creating the ad at the ad level. You're selecting, creating with existing post, where you can actually select the post or the video that you posted previously on your Facebook page, and you can actually use it to run ads. So when you're running ads, eventually your post or your video will be reaching new people. So the number of views will be accumulated, of course. So let's say previously you have accumulated 5,000 views on the video. So as you run ads, continuously running ads, you get more and more. Eventually, one day you will reach 10,000, 15,000 and all that. So if that's the case that you are referring to, yeah, that's still the thing that you can use. Yeah, so basically, if that's what you want, then I mean, go ahead to do that. But having said that, I would recommend that we run ads on Ads Manager. So probably you're talking about boosting a post, which is actually probably the easiest way to start running ads, whereby you can actually go into Facebook. But when you're boosting a post, make sure you're not boosting it on your iOS iPhone, as in like, yeah, because if you boost it on iPhone, Apple takes 30% of what you pay. So let's say if you spend $100 on ads, you'll be only spending $70 on your ads, and $30 will be given to Apple. So that's what they take. So I will recommend that you run ads on your Ads Manager on the desktop, on the laptop version. So that will make sure that 100% of your budget goes into your Facebook ads. So that's what you do. Yeah. So you can still do that, no problem. But I would recommend that you do it in your Ads Manager. And if you need help learning about Ads Manager, how to use that and all that, you can actually, learn from this one. This is my Facebook Ads Masterclass that I talk about. There are 5 modules that you can cover. Otherwise, if you want to have a one-on-one discussion and see how we can actually, if you have questions about your campaign, you want to get some guidance in getting started and all that, you can scan this QR code where it will take you to my Fiverr gig. You can book a 30-minute with me, by buying me a dinner. Then we can answer questions. We can try to set up the campaign together quickly within 30 minutes or so and all that. So that's how we can get started working together anyway. So if you need help, then scan this QR code, and I look forward to work with you.